Hello everybody, my name is Hamad Ghulam Rezai. Welcome to this lesson, and in this lesson we talk about VRay for 3ds Max, VRay 6 for 3ds Max, and now we talk about create interior lights, and let's create first interior light, VRay plane interior light. And before it we can two-way for create interior lights this way, and another way in VRay toolbar. As you can see, every light individual, and we can choose any light and create in viewport. Now we have first interactive render and create first interior light. Its name VRay plane or VRay rectangle light, and as you can see, scene is dark because we have not any light in scene, and scene is dark, but after we create first light and rotate and move to outside, as you can see, we have first light in interior scene, and for modify this light, we have change size of light and length and width, and we have multiplayer, and as you can see, increase or decrease multiplayer in scene. For example, 50 or 10 works. And another tab, option tab, or before it, rectangle light, directional for angle of brightness of light, 0 to 1, 0 minimum and 1 for maximum. If directional 1 to a maximum, in fact minimum angle, 1 directional is minimum angle of light, but 0 directional is maximum angle for light. And option tab for invisible light, invisible source light, or double-sided, or cast shadow. And this tab default works for us, and no need change any parameters in this tab for real render or and so invisible, if checkbox invisible, we have not source light, but if I turn off, we have source light and affect speculary or affect diffuse or affect reflection default for default or works for us. And this tab no need to be changed. Next interior light is VRay sphere light. Sphere light and create, move to high level. As you can see, modify exact rectangle or plane light, and in test render you can see a sphere light. We can turn on lens effect and the denoiser for a better result. And
so interactive render and render element, denoiser and light mix render elements. Now as you can see, lens effect works and denoiser for better result, decrease intensity of lens effect. And next interior light, choose any object and click the mesh light. As you can see, this object changed to source light, and any object can be source light with these tools. Wait a moment. Move up object, and as you can see, object changed to source light. And now I have just mesh light, turn off any lights, just turn on mesh light and select the object. Next light is disk light, VRay disk light for interior lighting. For better result, we have this object and select the teapot and change to mesh light. change the field of view and orbit. Clear the environment image and start interactive rendering, and wait a moment for interactive result. Now mesh light, select mesh light. Let's open the group and move up, and as you can see, teapot is changed to source light, and for better result I turn on lens effect and denoiser. Back to default VRay render setting, and interactive again, and now as you can see, teapot is source light. Update denoiser and turn on lens effect. There are some bugs in this scene, and because lens effect not work, and anyway, next light is VRay disk light, and create and move up. Fix the right position for this interior light. Interactive render, and as you can see, we have disk light and next light is VRay IES Light, that need to some files for best result. Create IES Light and a drag for target again. Source light and target light. In top view, I fix the position target, IES target light, and fix position for best result. Move to this position, and now select the IES file and select the IES file. For IES Light download files, you can search in Google and download free for any type of IES Light. As you can see, some type of IES Light collection, and download in any website. And after download files, you can select any file, any IES file, any IES format IES file, and as you can see, this light is so looks good. And we have IES Light for increase the multiplayer of light. You can change this number. Actually, this number, for example, 5000, or default number 1000. And good luck, and hope to see you again.